Alright, so the question is how to change Instagram username font style. The answer is you cannot officially change the font style of your Instagram username because Instagram does not allow it. However, you can change your name. So for that, just open any browser on your smartphone. I'm going with Brave. You can choose whatever browser you want. Now just go on the search bar and type here font style generator. Alright, here scroll down and you will find this website fontgenerator.cool. Just go on this and here type your your name which you want to be stylish. So I'm going to type my username here. Alright, here as you can see different type of text font are showing. So I'm going to copy this one. Just click on the text and it will be copied. Now go back again on Instagram. Okay, after going back on Instagram, just click on edit profile and click on name, and here just paste the name. Alright, after that just click on this tick on top right corner and just click on change name and you will be good to go. So that's it for the video. That's how you can change font style. Thanks for watching.